Hey, I'm Dominic. I'm ATC's Elite Customer Specialist, and today I'm going to talk to you about our entry door steps. So one cool thing about our entry door steps is that they're on a hinge inside of your door. So you don't have to worry about taking them in or out, finding a place to store them. They're going to store right here. When you want to take them out, you're just going to open up your door all the way, and these will come right down. Another cool thing that I want to show you about these steps, if you look here, you'll notice they aren't touching the ground. All you got to do, each one of these is on a separate trigger. You're just going to come over, push that down, make sure it's locked in, do the same on the other side, make sure that's locked in, and now your steps are even. The other thing we find is that if they're adjusted too high, you're going to have problems shutting the door. So if you come in here, you'll see that this is lifted a little bit. All you got to do is come down here, you're going to lower them, and now you'll see this isn't lifted off as much, and your door will close right.